what do you do when you lie on your back? What do you notice when you lie on your back? Okay, so everybody lies on their back at some point during the day or the night, and maybe you think about certain things, or you pay attention to certain things are comfortable, more comfortable, less comfortable. So, just notice whatever it is you may happen to notice. I won't even tell you places to look for. Just observe whatever you like and how you sense or feel yourself on your back, whatever that means for you this morning. So it's sort of like taking some kind of a picture of yourself and how you feel yourself or sense yourself. So after we do something and then return to this position, how would you know if you sense something any differently? Good. So leave that go and come lie on your right side. Organize yourself any way you like. If you need a pillow or foamy things, you can use your arm to support your head. You can fold up your mat. Just organize yourself simply, but on the side. And just notice your breathing. Just pay attention to your breathing. Everybody has experience of breathing. And notice more the breathing on the left side, the area that's in the direction of the ceiling. It's in the ribs behind you and the ribs in front of you. And slowly in your inhalation, just move your left shoulder upwards in the direction of your head and the direction of your ear. So you allow this area on your left side, so to say, with your inhalation to get a little bit longer, or you move the ribs in such a way that allows the air to fill this area on the left side more. You do this a number of times, and you can do it through the inhalation. You can also do it without making it like an exercise to follow the inhalation. And see, where do you feel it? What do you sense when you do this to allow the air? So you don't have to pull it in like a big air exercise. Just notice what it's like when you move the shoulder up and you allow the inhalation. Where does it go more? Where does it go less? How does it feel from the front? And stay there for a moment. And now bring your focus towards your pelvis, the big bone at the middle of yourself. And start to do a movement like you did with your shoulder towards the head. Do a movement with your pelvis away from the head. And see during this movement if you can also let the air in. So you do something that allows your pelvis on the left side to move away from your head, and at the same time see how you can use this during the inhalation. How you sense this different in terms of what happens in the breathing or in the ribs than when you just move the shoulder. So you just take your pelvis and you just move it, whatever this means for you, away from your head, the left side of your pelvis, away from your head, so that the side you'd feel would get a little bit maybe longer between the pelvis and the ribs while you're inhaling. And leave that go for a second, stay on your side. And now do the two movements together. You move your shoulder towards your head, move your pelvis away from your head, and see how this allows the air to come easier in a certain way to all of the ribs on the left side. And how you can use the movement to sort of fill this side. And let that all go, and just lie on your back. And notice just after doing this, now that you come onto your back, and you listen to yourself, do you notice any kind of a sensation of difference between the left side of yourself and the right side? And if you do, notice what that feels like for you, that difference. And think about it a moment, that to do something for 4 or 5 minutes, a little bit that we did, and that you can lie in the back again and have a difference in sensation, means that this ability to evoke changes is very available to you.